Hello, and welcome to my channel. There are 3 easy steps for this easy peasy but very effective remedy. So keep watching, as every step is very important. This way you can also look 10 years younger. It will make your face glow and help get rid of wrinkles and open pores. Today I'm going to share with you a Korean secret that Korean women use to make their skin glowing, younger, and spotless. Step 1. Steaming. Steam your face by using a face steamer, or if you don't have a steamer, then you can use a small pot to boil water and then use its steam. Steam opens up your pores and helps loosen any buildup of dirt for a deeper cleanse. Opening your pores also softens blackheads, making them easier to remove. It promotes circulation. The combination of warm steam and an increase in perspiration dilates your blood vessels and increases circulation. After steaming your face for 2 minutes, dry your face with a clean towel. Step 2. Face mask for glow. This mask will add glow on your face. Take a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice flour to it. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut cream. You can also use coconut milk or coconut water, whatever is available to you. Lastly, add half a teaspoon of fresh beetroot juice and mix it together properly. Apply this mask to your face with a brush. Nutritional and mineral-rich rice has been known as one of the traditional skin lightening remedies. Amino acids and vitamins present in the grain act as a clearing agent and control the shine of the skin. Wonderful to treat blemishes, fine lines, and pimples that leads to aging. It also helps retain the elasticity and firmness of the skin to make you look fresh and young. Benefits of coconut cream include anti-inflammation, moisturizing, nourishing, and antibacterial properties that are useful if you are battling skin problems. Beetroot juice gives pinkish glow on the face, reduces blemishes and dark spots, moisturizes dry skin, and also prevents premature aging and wrinkles. Leave this mask on your face for 25 minutes and then simply wash it off or wipe it away. Step 3. Mud mask for open pores and tightening. Let's now prepare our mud mask, which will help get rid of open pores, wrinkles, and will also tighten your loose, saggy skin. Take 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth in a bowl, and then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You can add more if needed, as we have to prepare a thick, consistent paste. Mix it well and it's ready. Apply this mask on your entire face with the help of a brush. This mask will help in reducing or getting rid of acne, skin lightening, rejuvenation of the skin, and eliminating scars. Fuller's Earth reduces the pigmentation of the skin and makes it lighter and evens face scars. Apple cider vinegar helps exfoliate the skin and helps in smoothing and improving skin texture, and it also helps to absorb excess oils in the skin. Leave it on for 20 minutes or until it's completely dry. Then wash your face with water and you are done. Do these steps 3 times a week or more, and I promise your skin will look 10 years younger than your actual age. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!